It's coolest, and we're gonna be finding 5 things in the slime. So let's get started. I feel something. I got something. It's a Leonardo head. So we have one, which is a Leonardo head. If you don't know about Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, feel something too. It's a Halo leg. We have 2 things. One is a Leonardo head, and one is a Halo leg. Can't believe it. Found another thing. It's hard to get out though. Got it. It's a Halo head. So now we finally have 3 things. One is a Leonardo head, Halo head, and a Halo leg. So 2 more things. I feel something. Wow. Another Halo leg. So now we have 4 things. One is a Leonardo head, Halo leg, Halo head, and another Halo leg. Really? Again? Whoa! Wow! So we have all 5 things. Look, a part of a Halo body. Okay, so here you go. One Leonardo head, two Halo head, actually not head, legs, and one part of a Halo body, and one part of Halo head. Halo head. So Leonardo head, Halo head, Halo leg, and a part of a Halo's body. So here we go. So bye.